welcome back to the vlog. Today's episode, we're gonna be working on the FRS, and I have one awesome looking part for the FRS to finish the back end. A few days ago, we installed the Battle Arrow custom, I call them the Dragon Tail brackets. That's what they look like. But there's one more piece. Actually, there's two pieces. One of those pieces is this rear apron, which I destroyed on my way back from California last year. Found it. That can be fixed. Rallybacker was kind enough to send that to me with me just having to pay shipping. So thank you, Rallybacker. And we have one other piece. I'm gonna clean the garage for a bit and then move the car in there, and then we'll show you what that piece is. Just waiting for Clark to get here so he can move this thing. I wanna get the FRS. Like, I tried to clean as much of the garage to give us as much space as possible for this car season. I have no idea what Kanji is doing with his car. He moved to Edmonton and he didn't bring his car with him. Wait, maybe he left his keys here. We can drive Kanji's car. And this, I'm just waiting for Clark to get here.
Come here, Ruff. How are you, doggy dog? Aww, so mean. Oh, hey guys. Just playing with the puppy.
Take care, fellas. Yeah, you too. Take care, guys. Have a good one. I love dogs. I still need to get a shop dog for us, and I'm thinking Chow Chow. I'm gonna name it Gohan. Rice. Rice, come here, Rice. And Scott here. What up, bro?
Yeah.
Clark, finally, man. I was waiting for you to move this thing.
Yeah.
Just kidding. Guys, first of all, I'll show you that my trunk is still accessible and this spoiler is fully functional, but it's dangerous. May you? How can I make my car any more Gundam, you ask? Let me show ya. The Louvers, bro. But this one in particular, so Gundam. This one is by Opall. I think that's the company. I can actually still see through these parts, which is my blind spot. So other Louvers designs basically envelop the whole rear windshield. It's gonna look crazy, man. The back is so aggressive now. Well, will be once it's installed. With the green. So you can see some of my Rocket Bunny LEDs aren't working, so that's also something we have to do today, is just fix the wiring on it. That won't take too long. Practiced on the Beamer, and I've had enough electric experience to know what I'm doing. So shout out to Derpy for all the knowledge you've given to me. So bad. The lens is off this one isn't even working. This green one is dim. And on this side, same deal. Oh, look at that, it just flashed. It's flashing right now. So I have to replace a few of them. All right, kind of want to start on those louvers just to see what it looks like. So let's take everything off that's on the rear windshield. Goodbye, lost royalty. This banner has been through so much. Quick glimpse. That looks so crazy. All right, but let's see what the visibility is like. Oh, actually, that's not even that bad. Totally. Yeah, you can still see perfectly. Yeah. So the kit itself came with the things you need to install it. So you got your hooks, some 3M. Yeah, that's pretty much all you're gonna need, man. This is gonna be a really basic install. 5 to 10 minutes, not even. Let's do it. this actually fits pretty well. You do have to still make sure that it's fully centered. The next step is once you put those rubber washers on those tabs, then you can do them one by one. So we have the two bottom ones mounted. The rest are gonna be super easy. Take your rubber washer, place that on the peg, and then what you wanna do with the 3M is kind of just have it sticking out halfway. You also wanna make sure that the glass is clean of light dust and debris. So take some rubbing alcohol and just wipe down the area you're gonna be sticking it onto. Just stick that on there. Lightly drop it. Boom. That's it. You can pull this out. You're good to go.
I dream it, I get over. I stop when I get sober. Something about getting older. Something about dreams and thoughts, paradoxes, feels and pain left me to pieces. Can't forget all the promises. Let's talk about all the kisses.
So I have these fake side fins for the FRS, but the reason why I can't run them is because I have Lambo doors. So when they're on and I open my door, it hits it. And I'll show you. With it on, it just completes it, takes off all of the emblems, and it makes it look so much more aggressive. But if I open, it opens okay normally, but it's when you move it up. Yeah. So it's in the way. My plan is to just cut a piece of it off right here, diagonal piece, so I can still run the fin, but still at least be able to open my Lambo doors.
Girl, why are you playing with me? Girl, who are you playing with? You've been on the new stuff.
All right, moment of truth. Lame. What? I didn't even have to cut it that much. Okay, whatever. I'm not gonna run the fins for the show because I found out that I really didn't need to cut that much. So now I actually don't want to use this piece. Usually you measure twice, cut once kind of thing. I kind of just went for it. Didn't work out this time. So I'll save this DIY for another day because I actually have a really cool idea. And now I know exactly how much to cut. I can use this as the prototype. You know what? Let's tackle this custom intake. Right now I'm running an OEM intake with the HKS supercharger. So we're gonna figure this out, okay? But I really want an HKS intake in this car.
Yeah, why you tryna play me? You being a different you and I'm being the same me. You could've had Gucci, but now that's all.
Let's see what we can do with this.
Girl, why are you playing with me? Girl, who are you playing with? You've been on the new stuff.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna show you my little setup. Luckily, I had this extra adapter coupling. So now I can put this in and let's see if this fits into the car. Please, please. Woo! Damn, son. That's a good spot. And this reaches, yes. No, it doesn't, dog. Alright, I gotta rethink this. So you see, this sensor wire is not long enough for me to be able to have the orientation of the piping to go this way. Alright, so I mean, if I have it the proper way, like this, it's gonna be pointing my intake filter that way. I'm thinking I'm just gonna scratch the intake idea and wait until one of my friends can help me custom create the piping and also help me with the welding. Honestly, this was a cheap eBay part, so I'm really cool with destroying it right away. I might be able to use this for something else, but for now, we're probably not gonna do the intake idea. Let's see this. See? Easy enough. I just have to replace the ones that are broken and the ones that don't work. Resplice them all. Nice little wiring project for us. There's a collection of rocks. Here we go. Ace. Nice, dog. Whoa, that's way bright. Yeah. And with the green, I can actually turn it on and off. Sick. That's dope. Okay, now on to the next side. You're leaving me. Go check out Clark's new shirt. Lost Royalty Race Club.
Yeah, Lost Royalty here.
Coca-Cola race shirt, man. That's so crazy. Good night, man. We'll see you tomorrow, okay?
Yeah, see you tomorrow.
All right. Peace. Okay, let's finish the lights. Guys, you don't even know, okay? I'll turn the lights on, and then I'll show you. Boop. Boom. Added 2 green spotlights on the inside of the bumper. And all the lights are now functioning. This side as well. And as you can see, I have no idea how this is gonna look, but the lights shine this part green. So that's pretty cool. And super clean install. No loose wiring or anything. Alright, same on that side. Derpy, you tell me well. Believe it or not, I've been here all night. I see sunlight. Oh my goodness. I guess I can give you guys a small sneak preview of what I was up to all night. Okay? Alright, check. Check this, dogs. You ready? Yes! The setting goes with music. That is so cool. I have to finish this car, and I know I can get it done in a couple of hours, but I really need my rest. So I'm gonna end this video. As usual, thank you guys for watching, and if you guys want to get updated when new videos come out on this channel, hit that sub button, drop a like, and leave some good vibes in the comments, and I will catch you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Peace.